Also on oil, that has been nice to just trade the bear trap, excuse me, that we got here earlier on in the week. So we saw oil break down below major support at $43 per barrel, excuse me, only to then reverse after it just clipped some of these stops, no doubt, around this level of support, reversed and then produced a setup. We just took that back towards resistance for a nice 200-point move there. We have the potential for a new trading opportunity here. We're monitoring this. We've got the OPEC meeting, which is coming up on the 30th of November, which I would suggest will be a catalyst for some big moves here. Usually good follow through. Last year's OPEC meeting on the 4th of December 2015 then caused a 1,500 point drop in oil prices in the subsequent month, where we broke down to 12-year lows. It can be a very explosive trading opportunity. So I will be looking at that towards the end of the month, which is only really about 13 days away now for the next big trade here. At the moment, I would suggest on the weekly chart, we do seem to be forming some support at the 43 zone. You've got a bullish engulfing candle here as well, which is essentially a bear trap, trapping sellers who've gone in for a break of support. Reversing here, looks like if we close with this formation, by the end of the week, you've got quite a lot of levels of confluence here. Very clear trend channel. You've also got nice underlying horizontals. So this is totally raw chart, but you can see, build out the picture here. You've got also nice underlying support around the 43 zone. And then what we could look at would be the potential to take this on a weekly chart basis back towards resistance, to take that for a trade back towards the 50 zone. Now, whether that follows through or not, we'll have to see. We'll see how oil closes the week. It still has the potential to roll over, come back down to the lower end of the trend channel, or just consolidate within this area over the next few days. We'll see. We'll see whether it's got the legs to continue to follow through. Certainly, if we close the week with this formation right now on the chart, I would expect the potential to break above that next week and follow through. And we could look for another surge back towards the 48 to 50 zone. So I would keep an eye on that for oil at the moment. Oil certainly very lucrative. Day-to-day moves are, of course, very liquid on oil. It's the #1 most heavily traded commodity in the world.